Indian market indices closed sharply off their record highs with both Sensex and Nifty slipping by 1% each from their peak levels. The Nifty touched a record high of 23,111 points early in the session, while the Sensex hit 76,000. A last hour sell-off in financial heavyweights dragged the markets down. The bulls are facing off resistance at 23,000 levels as the investor starts booking profit at higher level to avoid any knee-jerk reaction in the market ahead of the election result. Better earning growths, the expectation of a revival in private capex, and a moderation in FIS selling intensity are the key positive triggers in the market. The release of India's Q4 GDP and the US inflation figures this week will also influence investors to get the direction in the near term. This was said by the market experts Vinod Nair, Geojit Financial Services. Nifty this way. HCL Tech collaborates with ARM for custom silicon chips optimized for AI workloads. Auto ancillary stocks Lumex Industries, highest payout in 5 years, but shares of this auto ancillary fall over 6%. FL India shares jump 6% post strong Q4. SpiceJet falls 4% as Kal Airways and Kalaniti mark 1677 crore. ITC slips as recommends voting against Hotel B's demerger, 2% off highs. Wipro ends amongst top Nifty loser on company's exclusion from Sensex. Divis ends with a healthy gain of 3% as company reports Q4 with above estimate. Page Industry post biggest single day gain in nearly 2 years, share up 3%. Glenmark Pharma healthy outlook for financial year 25 boosts the stock up 8%. Ashok Leyland is buying on healthy Q4 and strong outlook, rises 8%. Manappuram, Aurobindo and Sun TV react negatively to the Q4 earnings. Stocks down 3 to 4%. United Spirits sees profit booking after Q4 results. Stock down 5% from highs. Jubilant Food regains Friday's losses, gain 4%. RVNL hits record high of 399.90. नागपुर मेट्रो का प्रोजेक्ट मिला उस वजह से. Nazara Tech suggests 52-week high after promoter meter into sales. Info sales 6.38 stake in Plutus Wealth. ये बहुत ही अच्छी DIS कंपनी है. नाजारा टेक का शेयर आज हमारा 11% से राइज किया 685 पे. RVNL शेयर हिट रिकॉर्ड हाई आफ्टर नागपुर मेट्रो प्रोजेक्ट विन. ITC in losses. ITC demerger. IES advises shareholders to vote against splitting of hotel business. अदानी इंटरप्राइजेस एक्चुअली पहले न्यूज़ आया था कि ये सेंसेक्स में इंक्लूड होगा, विप्रो को रिमूव करके, लेकिन बाद में न्यूज़ आया कि अदानी इंटरप्राइजेस नहीं, अदानी पोर्ट इंक्लूड होगा सेंसेक्स में विप्रो की जगह पे. उस वजह से विप्रो के शेयर में भी हमारी गिरावट देखने को मिल रही है. अदानी पोर्ट में आज हमारा 1% का जंप देखने को मिला. अदानी एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस बोर्ड अप्रूव्स फंड रेजिंग ऑफ अप टू 12,500 करोड़. Suzlon Energy CFO sees nearly 20,000 crore revenue potential in next 2 years. LIC Q4 results. Net profit rises marginally 2.5%. Dividend declared 6 rupees per share. Astra Microwave share hits record high after 4-fold spike in Q4 net profit.